Struggling to add images to your hosting or site? Your media library is empty, but it doesn't have to be. Here's exactly how to upload files. I'll show you the simple steps. Access the media library, navigate to images, and upload your files. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is open up your site in the hosting or website builder. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see your site laid out in front of you, and it might look a little bare right now. That's totally normal. We're about to fix that. I've got a real hosting or builder session pulled up on my screen right now, so I can walk you through every click just like I was sitting next to you. Now, look over on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical sidebar with a bunch of different icons. What you're looking for is the one that looks like a little photo library icon. It might be labeled, it might not be, but it's usually toward the middle of that sidebar. Go ahead and click on that icon. Once you click it, a panel will slide open on the left. And here's the thing. You might see a few different tabs at the top of this panel. There could be one that says All Files, one that says Videos, and the one we need right now. Look for the tab that says Images. Click on that tab. This filters your media library so we're only looking at pictures, which keeps everything nice and organized. Alright, now you should see a big, mostly empty area with a button in the middle or near the top that says Upload Files. This is the button that does all the heavy lifting. Click on it. A new window will pop up from your computer. This is your File Explorer, where you can browse through all your folders. Now, pay attention to this one. Navigate to the folder on your computer where you keep your website images. Maybe it's your desktop, maybe it's a folder called Website Photos. Find the images you want to use. You can click on one file to select it, or if you have several, you can hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac and click on each one to select multiple files at once. Once you've got them all picked out, click the Open button or the Choose button, depending on what your computer shows. And that's when the magic starts. You'll see a progress bar appear in the media library. Your images are being uploaded one by one. This might take a moment to process, especially if your files are large or if you're uploading a lot of them. Just give it a few seconds. Don't click away or close anything while it's working. Once that progress bar finishes and disappears, take a look at the library. Your images should now be sitting right there, listed in the panel. You can see their file names, their sizes, and a little thumbnail preview. That's how you know it worked. And just like that, your media library is no longer empty. You've successfully uploaded your files. Now you can use these images anywhere on your site, whether it's in a gallery, a blog post, or a product page. Your site is already starting to look more professional. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.